Some of you that have been around for long enough might remember last year when I was here, I made an apple cider using Korean apples. I had a lot of apple cider left over, so what I did was I put it into a hangari or an ongi, that's one of these, and let it turn into vinegar. This vinegar is really strong, really flavorful, and absolutely delicious. Shrubs are basically like vinegars that are infused with fruits and stuff like that, and you can use them to make cocktails or like other drinks as well. This vinegar is quite strong, so I'm gonna use a lot of omija. I should probably measure this. 56 grams of omija. I might just bump that up to 60. I think I'll go for the same amount of sugar as the omija, so another 60 grams of sugar. I'm making this up as I go. I have no reference for this. I think a good amount of vinegar will be double the omija, so I'll go 120 grams of vinegar. Maybe a little bit more. I'll go 150 grams of vinegar. And now the best part is we just wait. I'm gonna leave this for a week first. I think a week will be enough. And when I come back, we'll give it a taste and we'll try and make some drinks out of it as well. It's been about a week now, so let's try out our omija apple cider vinegar shrub. Whew, it smells like omija and vinegar. Let's filter this through and try it. We'll get a cheeky taste in now. Oh my God. That is delicious. It's sweet, it's tart, it's a bit bitter. It's got that fruity flavor from the omija. It's so good. Cheers. That's gonna be amazing with cocktails. This is gonna be something I have quite often now.